Is the Velvet Vibe rechargeable or does it use batteries? Today, let's take a look and I'll tell you everything you need to know. Yes, the Velvet Vibe from the Easy Toys collection is rechargeable and does not require battery changes. It's very simple and easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to recharge it. A USB rechargeable cable comes in every package and it looks exactly like this. The charging point of the Velvet Vibe is located at the very bottom of the toy, just below the power button. Using your USB charging cable provided, push through the silicone. This does not damage the toy until it's completely in as demonstrated. Then it will begin to charge for you. The charge time is roughly 120 minutes. After this, it's ready to go. The running time of the Velvet Vibe is also 120 minutes long. Did you find this video helpful? Why not take a look at our other FAQ videos in this collection? Do you have a question for us? We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and we'll take a look at it for you.